HESC is a logistics hub for storing, assembling, and distributing telecommunication equipment in Europe. It comprises of 15,000 square meters of warehouse space and handles tens of thousands of orders every month. This year, HESC deployed a 5G mobile private network, or MPN, in the factory, making it one of the first 5G smart factories in Europe.
5G MPN has helped our digital transformation, allowing us to improve our operation efficiency. We can provide now our clients with a shorter lead time, better quality and lower prices.
This is the warehouse for storage. In the past, after the tickets were dispatched to the workers, they used forklifts to move components to the assembly area. But now, autonomous guided vehicles, or AGVs, are scheduled by an order management system and distribute the components automatically to the distribution area for fast transit to the assembling line under a zero-touch management system. This has improved the component distribution efficiency by 20%. 5G connections provide such high reliability that AGV can operate in a truly unmanned environment. This enables the AGVs to run twice as fast as under Wi-Fi. After assembling, products must pass through quality control checks. In the past, it was a time-consuming manual check, and there was a risk that some errors would be missed by the workers. Now, HD cameras take the product image, and the image is sent to a cloud-based AI program to check the assembly quality, ensuring there are no human errors. This is enabled by 5G, providing high uplink bandwidth for better image quality. As a result, HESC's missing alarm rate has reduced by 50%. Automation means more machines on site. At HESC, routine maintenance checks and problem troubleshooting of the machines are now done by regular workers using 5G AR glasses. With 5G to guarantee full mobility, low latency and high data rate, the workers can fluently interact with experts from anywhere in the world in real time. Thanks to 5G, even during the pandemic, machine failures did not affect HESC's production. It shortened the machine recovery time whilst reducing the technical skill required of workers. In total, the automation in the factory requires network latency of 50 milliseconds at 99.99% reliability, and uplink bandwidth of around 260 megabytes per cell, which can only be supported by 5G. With the extensive vertical knowledge and network experience, Huawei's professional service team designed and delivered the One-Box 5G MPN solution. With 24 Lampsite Pico RRU, it covers the whole factory of 15,000 square meters with strong and steady signals everywhere. Based on a 5G standalone hybrid architecture, it is integrated to HSS HLR with zero customization under a multi-vendor environment. This can be easily replicated to other countries.
With our 5G MPN and digital transformation, we expect to reduce our cost by €500,000 in 2021 while improving efficiency by 20%. Based on the use cases deployed so far, we expect a break-even point of just 3 years. As we deploy more, that will get even better, meaning this is certainly a worthy investment.
This is how 5G is lighting up a smart factory. There are more incredible innovations with 5G MPN coming. Which one will be next? Let's look forward to it.